Hello and welcome to our channel Kiwitaxsolutions. We are an Ontario-based accounting firm assisting Canadians with personal and corporate tax-related matters. Today, we will be guiding the first-time income tax filers on steps to register for a CRA account. So let's begin with the process. Search on Google My CRA Account and click on this very first link. Here you will see two sections. The left side is for individuals who already have a CRA account and looking to log in. The right side is for individuals who are first time filers and are looking to register. So click on register for my account. Here you will see three options by which you can register for CRA account. First one is register with sign-in partner. There are couple of financial institutions and banks. If you have your account in any one of them, you can use its user ID and password to register for CRA account. The second one is register with CRA user ID and password. In this option, you are required to create a unique user ID and password to log in. The third one is register with a provincial partner. Residents of BC and Alberta can use their provincial IDs to register. Today, we will go with option 2, register with CRA user ID and password. Enter your 9-digit social insurance number and your date of birth. On the third line, you are required to enter line 15,000 from your latest income tax return. This number can be found on your notice of assessment or documents provided by your accountant or tax professional. Kiwi tax clients can find this number on page 4 of document emailed to them. Now enter the number from line 10100 on the same income tax return. Again, this information will be provided by your accountant or tax professional. Kiwi tax clients can find this number on page 4 of document emailed to them. You can verify yourself by two methods. The first one is Interact Document Verification Service. This option provides instant verification. In this option, you have to verify your identity by government issued ID and a selfie image on your smartphone. Most commonly used ID is a Canadian driver's license. The second one is CRA security code by mail. In this option, you will receive an access code at your house address via letter from CRA in 5 to 10 business days. Once received, the code then needs to be filled in CRA account to get full access. Today, we will go with CRA security code by mail. Enter the postal code updated on your income tax return and press next. Note, if you have moved to a new address, call CRA first, get your address updated and then request for a new security code. Create a unique user ID which meets all the requirements below. Now create a password which meets all the requirements below. Note, if any one of the criteria is not met, it will show an error and you will not proceed further. Let me show you a demonstration. So make sure all the requirements are met. Note down the ID and password and keep it safe. Now create 5 security questions and answers. This feature is used for safeguarding your account and in case you forget your login credentials. Make sure to note down the question answers and keep it safe. Review all terms and conditions carefully, enter your password, and press agree if you accept the conditions. The Canada Revenue Agency security standards are extremely high. Each time you log in, you have to quick verify yourself with multi-factor authentication. You can choose one out of any three options. Today we will go with telephone option. Note, if you do not have an active North American phone number, you can either choose Authenticator app or Passcode Grid. Click on Add a telephone number and add your phone number. Select your preferred language and press Next. Choose an option if you need an OTP via text or call. We will go with text today. Enter the OTP and choose your preference. As you can see, CRA will send access code at your house address in 5 to 10 business days. Note, the delivery time may vary according to the place you live in Canada. If you do not receive your access code after 20 to 30 days, you can call CRA and inquire. Review My Account terms and conditions carefully and select your response. The Canada Revenue Agency now require all My Account users to have an email address on file. Whenever there is a change made on your account, you will receive a notification on your email. So let's sign up. Press Start and enter your email address. If you want to receive notifications and correspondence in your My Account instead of a paper mail, click on the box and press Next. Note, this is an optional step. Read the terms of use and confirm. Continue to overview. Congratulations, now you have successfully created your CRA account with limited access. Once you have received your CRA security code letter, sign back in and enter your CRA security code. Your account then will be fully activated for future. There are a lot of benefits of using CRA account. You can update your address, marital status, direct deposit, phone number, and many other services. If you require any assistance with your income tax related matters, feel free to WhatsApp or email us. We file online Canada wide. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos and tax tips.